So welcome back again to this channel. This is a channel of accounting, which we do learn so many things relating to accounts. And today I want to enlighten my few friends, few accountants, few professional auditors, and like how do we manage the pressure as a professions in the company, right? Especially when you are an accountant in that office and we only have one one accountant in that company, like you are the only one. So what do I mean when I'm saying you are the only one in that company, which mean you will be in charge of payroll. You will be in charge of invoicing, which invoicing also it will turn to what? Receivable. So you are in charge of payables, you are in charge of receivable, you are in charge of bank reconciliation, you are in charge of filing the VAT also, right? And remember, as an accountant, as whenever we apply for this job, we apply specifically for accounting job, but you realize after landing that job or after getting that job, it turns out to be what? Admin or administrative work. So you find that we are handling our role as an accountant, which it is good. At the same time, we are handling admin role. We are handling admin role, and it is not like the question here is not balancing the kind of duties and the work you are doing is not equating to the kind of the salary we are being paid as an accountant. So most of the time, I don't know if it is in our country or even the other nation to which they underpay accountants, right? I don't know. So but because of I thank our new president, they are introducing a lot of taxes, and these taxes they are targeting these many business. They want to onboard every business. So you find that now this is the time these business owners they are now recognizing the importance of what? Accountants. They are now recognizing the importance of accountants. Yes. So as an accountant, you sitting there as an accountant, you should maximize this is an opportunity for you to grow as a person, to grow as a profession, right? So let me know in the comment section there. Are you in this field of accounting, or you would try to join it, but you are going and coming out, in and out, in and out? No. So we should know how to play it, how to maximize these opportunities, which is the Mr. President is creating for us because of introducing a lot of taxes, which it triggers these small business owners to come for us to look for our professional service, which is good, which is good. So make sure that you package yourself first in what you are doing in your office. If you are employed, package yourself. Have a plan. Have a plan. When you go in the morning, when you get in the office in the morning, have a structure. Have a structure so that you don't find yourself doing this, you didn't complete, you have started another one, you didn't complete that one, you have started another one, you didn't complete that one, you have started another one. So at the end of today, you have not done anything constructive. Touching this, leaving, touching this, leaving, touching this, leaving. So at the end of the day, you are using a lot of energy without the value of work. So I have a plan. If it is invoicing, if yesterday there was a client to be invoiced, got into the office in the morning, do that task. The first task in the morning, do that invoicing, complete, and let it be a daily routine. That when you get into office every morning, do that task, and As you do that, you program your mind. Remember, our mind is like a computer. If we program our mind to do certain thing at a certain time, then it will remember. It will remember. So we keep on doing that as a plan. And then after that, make sure to update if there's any payment which was done yesterday, and update it today, so that what will be remaining today is just the work of today. So don't pile up the work as an accountant. So don't pile up. You find that you have not recorded payment for the last 3 days, 4 days, right? So you can't see that work accumulating, but it will it will reach a time where it is a lot of pressure for you, right? The directors, they want report for bank reconciliation. The auditor is here. They want the report. You want to do. There is other activities which you normally do, right? So now balancing your life, your time plan, your time schedule is very important. Is very important. And as I've said, have a plan. Do invoicing at one time. Update the all payment of the yesterday transaction, right? After that, look at what were like what happened to the taxes of yesterday, right? If you made a file return of yesterday, you do one of the payment relating to the tax, update the ledgers, right? So that whatever is remaining is for today. So the following day again, do that work repeatedly. So as you do that, you are killing three parts, or we said two parts with one stone, right? What do I mean when I'm saying that? If you update these records on a daily basis, every month or every week, every quarterly, they need us to do a reconciliation, a report, right? So at the end of the month, reconciliation will be very easy. Reconciliation will be very easy because your ledger is updated, or your ledger is up to date. Your ledger is up to date. So what we only need to update, to check, is what is in the bank. For example, you are doing bank reconciliation and you have been updating the payment and the receipt through the bank. So at the end of the month, which you are required to do bank reconciliation, you will be only remain with bank charges. Remember, bank charges, we don't update bank charges at the in every minute, unless you are able to access the bank statement on weekly basis, on a daily basis. Then you can as well update the bank ledgers. But if it is that kind of an office where you only get the statement at the end of the month, then that could be the only job to do at the end of the month. That is updating the system with the bank charges. After that, then now you just identify the discrepancies and reconciles your account. So it is very simple. It is very simple, and it will goes well like other accounts. But now, if you wait, you stay with 3 months, 2 months, 1 week, 3 days without it updating the transaction in the QuickBooks, even it will pile life, my friend, and then you will get a lot of pressure. You will not even eat, you will not sleep. Yes, because everyone needs that information. Auditor is here, the director is here, the manager is here. So everyone is looking for you, and you don't have even assistant in that office. So it will be very challenging if you don't arrange how you do. Like me, if you walk in my desk, you will find me sleeping. You will find me sleeping. Not because I don't, it's not that I don't have much work to do. It is about the plan. So when I got into office early in the morning, I do record the transaction for the yesterday. It will not take you long, even if it is 100 transaction. If it is 100 transaction, so be a person who get into office early in the morning, not because you are going there so that you can be praised by others. No, but for your own, benefit. If you get into office early in the morning, your mind will be what so fresh, and you will not be so confused. You are late. No, right? So get there, get settled, and then start record maybe 7:30 a.m. and then by 9 you will be done with the yesterday transaction, and then now from there you can be now relaxing, checking on one of the accounts, like because if you are the only accountant, you will take all the roles. You are the financial controller, you are the payable, you are receivable, you are petty cashier, you are everything, right? So at that time you need to plan yourself so very well so that you don't avoid getting a lot of complications in terms of pressure and all other things, right? And getting the accounts up to date, updating the transaction up to date also will give you an added advantage, added advantage. And which is this added advantage? You will be a reliable person in that company. You will be a reliable person in that company because everyone can rely on you, because you give a reliable report or you produce a report on time, which it can help the owners or the whoever use that report to make the right decision. So you will be reliable. So if you are reliable in the company will not like to lose you because you are the value, you bring value, right? So even if you bargain or negotiate for a rise, just a bit rise of your salary, then they're gonna pay you because you also bring value into that company, right? So it is good to manage yourself, right? So let me know in the comment section there, and so let me know in the comment section the challenges you have been going through as an accountant. So we have solutions. So don't stay alone battling with these a lot of challenges in the office. Maybe you have been told tomorrow to file the return, to file the PE, NSSF, NHIF, and all those that deduction, and it is the first time, you have never done that before, and you are still holding that problem, right? If you don't speak, we will not know your problems. So speak out your problem, and then we will solve that problem, right? So write in the comment section there the challenges you have been facing, and then say how do you advise me. So you will find that one of the two of our viewers or our listeners have even experienced that, and you will share the solution, and it will help you, right? Because that is also another thing which we accountant we lack. So long as we learned a job immediately, it's just forgetting other people, the colleagues we were together in the school, the colleagues we know he does this and this because you already have the job. No, that job is not the solution of everything. So don't go there, have accounting job, and you forget your friends, you forget your people you have been working with them at the past, right? Maybe because you've just gotten a good job with a bit good salary. So don't forget the friends, because if you forget the friend, these jobs, what because with my experience, what I've experienced is that accounting is something that it changes day night, day night, right? Especially taxation, especially tax part. So it keep on changing. Today you have a new tax rate, tomorrow you have a new tax rate, right? And if you are not the kind of a person to keep or who hold the friends, you might end up getting a lot of trouble because you are not up to date. Who will update you on the current issues relating to the taxation? So you should be keeping that network, because that network is the one which will update you in what is happening in the market, especially tax. And because, like, for example, there is a circular which is going for affordable housing levy for those who are in Kenya. And if you don't have that knowledge, you will end up preparing payroll without factoring in the housing levy and also the relief for housing levy, right? So you will realize that some of your colleagues or employees will tell you, why is it that you have not deducted or you have deducted this too high, this low? Because you are not up to date. And you are not up to date because you are working as an individual, not as a team. Even if you are the only one accountant in that office, create your own team, right? Create your own team. So I think I can't end this live for today. They have a lot. I have a lot to say, which is this so my bitter. Why I'm seeing a lot of accountants struggling with small tasks in the office and something that we can do it in few minutes. So don't struggle for something that we have the solution to. So if you have been a person who have been struggling for not how to plan your work, hit the comment there, hit the subscription button, and post your your challenge, and we will be get back to you. We will solve that one, either but maybe through the listener or me myself and other my colleagues will go through your comment section and will be able to solve that. So thank you, and keep on subscribing, keep on sharing, keep on asking questions, right? Keep on asking the topics which you like we discuss here. This is a free platform. We don't charge you anything. What we only need for you is just your support by hitting that button for subscription and like and give a comment. That's what we only need from you. So guys, let's meet on the next live conversation or live talk show, right? Thank you.